Welcome back, everybody. Here's a little pro shop tip. You probably already thought about it. So you're going to put a piece of wood in your vise, but it's relatively narrow. And if you put it down in your vise until it's resting on the bars, it'll be low. It'll be too low. So get yourself a scrap piece of wood, thinner than the stock that you're planing, but thick enough to act as a platform. Lay that on the bars in your vise. You may not be able to see it, but that's what I did. Now you can put your wood in, clamp it up. It's level, it's higher than the bench, and you're ready to make some shavings. This is my old East meets West Krenov style blade, Krenov style plane, but with an Eastern flair. I'm trying as a pull stroke. With my right hand. If I turn it around the other way and pull with my left hand, I might do better. I don't know. But that's about it for today. This is a real quick shop tip. A little piece of wood, scrap, down on your bars, clamp it up, and your wood is slightly higher, but perfectly level and secure to your bench. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.